Hey guys, for reading this week, we are going to begin with a research project. So the question you're going to answer is, what made Amelia Earhart an important historical figure? So what you're going to be doing is you're going to be looking at some different types of sources. So you're going to be looking at primary sources. And a primary source is a first-hand account. So it's created by someone that was actually there, that experienced it. So it could be a diary or a journal that someone wrote in. It could be a speech. It could be photos that they took of that person or videos. You also can use some secondary sources, and this is a secondhand account. So this is just a description of an event based on research. It is by someone that was not there, that experienced it. So it could be from textbooks, it could be books that people wrote about this person, informational books, examples like that. So you're going to be using a lot of different information in order to discover about Amelia Earhart. So if you remember, we had this chart back when we were in school about how nonfiction readers grow knowledge. So to do that, they pay attention to the details. They put the parts of the text together in your mind. They ask questions. They think, what is this book and what is this part teaching me? And then you also understand and use the key words. And if you remember a lot when we did the animals, we looked at a lot of the different parts of the book. So that will also help you this week. And reading and writing this week go hand in hand. So you may want to look at both lessons before you start, because your reading while you're going through stuff is going to help you do your writing assignment. So that's just kind of a little suggestion that will help you this week. So after you do your research, you're going to record one nonfiction reading strategy that you use to collect information. And you're going to name that strategy that you used and how it helped you. So this example is an example about George Washington. So while she was reading, she was asking herself questions. So she circled that strategy and she said, I use the ask questions strategy. I asked myself, why is George Washington called the father of our country? This helped me to think more about the important things he did for our country. So she said what strategy she used, how she used it, and also how it helped her. So I want all of those questions answered when you tell me what strategy you used. So you're going to circle the strategy, and this is going to be in Seesaw. So you can use the drawing tool to circle which strategy you used. And then you're going to tell me how it helped you. And again, probably 2 to 3 sentences. You can get the text box and you'll type it, and you can also record yourself if you would like to reading it. So there's a lot of information that I'll be putting into Google Classroom about Amelia Earhart. There's also Epic and PebbleGo, and all of that information will be attached for you in order for you to do your research. Enjoy, and I cannot wait to read about what you have learned about Amelia Earhart.